How to add multiple photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you how you can add multiple photos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add multiple photos on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, let's say you want to post multiple photos by just tapping the plus icon from the bottom. Just select that option over here. Allow the TikTok app to record pictures and videos and give it the permission it requires. Now just navigate to the upload section and allow the files access as well. Now all you have to do is go ahead and then basically select. Now in order to select multiple, at the bottom you'll find the option called select multiple. Make sure to select this option and only you'll be able to select multiple photos from the list. Now once you do this, let me just go ahead and show you. You can just tap the next option here, and as you tap the next option, again you'll be able to see all the multiple photos here, and you can just tap the next option in order to save the changes. This way you'll be able to add multiple photos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.